In order to survive in the wilderness, each animal must adapt and overcome the challenges brought by the environment. Still known that the aquatic environment provides animals with some favorable conditions and a suitable living condition. However, this is also the place where countless animals are drowned and tragically killed. So let us watch this video to understand more about the dangers of drinking water. Drinking water also leads to the catastrophic death for animals. Water is one of the essential elements to sustain life for humans, animals, and as well as plants. No animal can live a healthy life without drinking water. Especially for herbivores, water has an extremely important and necessary role for them. There are even species that spend most of their time drinking and living near the water sources to sustain life. The aquatic environment offers many advantages, but also contains many dangers, as just being careless, any animal can lose its life immediately. This that caused the wildebeest to try to drink as much water as possible from the river and then let their guard down, as immediately the predator took the opportunity and had attacked the wildebeest. Although a few individuals had already realized the danger, there were so many members crammed together near the riverbank that they couldn't even run away, as the most unlucky person was caught and then torn bloodthirsty. No one else, as the crocodiles are the deadly killers in the aquatic environment. They are one of the people who often cause animals, when drinking water, to suffer a lot of pain and forever cannot return to shore. With their killer nature and natural abilities, crocodiles are not bored with any opponent if they feel that someone is encroaching on their territory. And of course, all the animals that drink water in the river will be the enemies of the predator. The impala is also an animal that is often attacked by crocodiles while drinking water, as one bite of the crocodile is enough to drag the prey into water and then crush the prey. As the poor impala was knocked down and then torn by the crocodile in just a few short minutes. And perhaps no one had thought that the weak impalas could escape from the strong teeth of the crocodiles. However, there are still unexpected things happening. While drinking water, a crocodile had jumped out of the pond and had grabbed the young impala and had pulled it into the water. Unyielding, the impala protested fiercely and had displayed a brave fighting spirit. And with its intense vitality and perseverance, this impala miraculously escaped death, and the predator has suffered defeat. Because of their great hiding and camouflaging skills underwater, most water-drinking animals will have a hard time detecting crocodiles lurking in the water. Therefore, they are absurd in drinking water without even knowing that the predators are just waiting for the right opportunity to attack. If you're only looking at this scene, no one would think that crocodiles ambushed near the shore, as the warthog is still infused with the water, not knowing that it is about to encounter disaster. As the wild dogs probably knew this, so they did not dare to go into the water to attack their prey. But they just stood, and they watched the crocodile attack a warthog. And as expected, the predator jumped up and grabbed the bait, and then dragged it back into the water. Unable to stand the chance to protest, the warthog was engulfed, and then turned into a delicious meal for its bloodthirsty predator. Water is a key factor in this digestion and absorption of nutrition, such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Water also helps flush out the waste products from the body after digesting, and then helps to get rid of some toxic metabolic products, as the lack of water will have a more direct and powerful impact on the body psychologically, and that lack of other nutrients. And because of the importance of water for survival, knowing that many dangers, or even the loss of life, are even possible, the animals are forced to risk their lives. The warthog is quenching his thirst, and the predator has appeared. Seizing the opportunity, the crocodile had then rushed to attack the prey. However, the crocodile had failed due to the warthog's quick reflexes. Drinking water seems simple and normal. However, in the wild, drinking water is a real challenge. Hidden deep in the waters, the crocodile are always ready to attack the thirsty animals at any time. As an underwater ruler, the most terrifying killing machine in the natural world will certainly not spare anyone. It didn't take too long, as this warthog was caught by the predator and then drowned to suffocation. As without any chance to protest, the warthog had accepted his fate as the prey for the crocodile. During the dry season, hundreds of thousands of wildebeest living in the Serengeti Wildlife Sanctuary in Tanzania often gather on the banks of the Mara River to drink some water. This is a favorable opportunity to help the crocodiles have a hearty party. Thanks to their very good stalking ability when underwater and murky waters, the crocodiles easily approach the wildebeest that are engrossed in drinking water. Then they choose their target and then launch a powerful bite to capture their prey, before dragging the bad guy into the deep waters and then slowly enjoying the meal. You see, with its powerful bites, the crocodile has knocked down the countless prey. Strong and sharp teeth have made the antelopes unable to have a chance to resist, but they can only endure the pain. In the harsh climate of Africa, water resources are becoming increasingly scarce. Finding a source of water is already a blessing, so most animals won't have a choice. They must drink water if they don't want to continue to survive, as even the great predators of Africa's savanna cannot escape the dangers of the aquatic environment. Before drinking the beverage, the cheetah was grabbed by the crocodile and then drowned in the waters. As resisting in vain, the crocodile caused the prey to die in silence, as the crocodile is probably tearing the flesh and enjoying the prey underwater with its comrades. In particular, for most animals, during pregnancy, water constitutes a high percentage of the entire placenta and then plays an important role in preventing miscarriages and other reproductive problems. Water also helps to regulate the body's temperature through saliva, sweat, breathing, and other important needs used by animals to reduce the heat burden. Therefore, they are forced to drink water to nourish their bodies, even though they know that the crocodiles are waiting in the water. There are deaths that happen unexpectedly that sometimes animals cannot foresee. That is to see that the survival is really difficult. Sometimes with just a little negligence, the animals will suffer the catastrophic failures. As today's video ends here, don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe to share this video with your friends and family to discover more interesting things in the animal world. Thank you for supporting us. Goodbye and see you in the next video.